This is Brian Schumann coming to you again for another video from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. And today we're going to highlight a 2023 Dutch Star 4071, a new floor plan we haven't seen here in a little while, so I'm really excited about it. It's a 23, and besides the whole litany of upgrades that they've done this year on the Dutch Star, I'm going to point out just some of the obvious upgrades and amenities that are on this coach. So as you come up here, first of all, you're going to notice that you have two-tone seats, and the new seats in the Williamsburg line are really exquisite. They do a nice job of contrasting light and dark. This particular coach happens to be on a Spartan chassis, which is an obvious upgrade. As you look at the dash, you can see an upgraded increased size of your dash monitor, where your nav and go navigation is. It's a plush with a graphite almost kind of finish on the dash. Very professional looking, very classy looking. Notice how the steering wheels also become very much like a SUV steering wheel, and lots of amenities, lots of resources and information you can get between phone, setting your comfort control, your comfort drive system, cruise control, and checking all your systems on the coach. You can do that all through your steering wheel, which will come up on your monitor. So as we come back on this 4071, this is a Bayshore decor, and this is a sable maple high gloss finish. And one of the things I want you to notice is the new lines on the cabinetry. Very sleek, very classy, very clean look all the way throughout this coach. New accents along the ceiling and side valances. Just a really neat fit and finish to it. And also take a look at the ceiling, which to me has gotten extremely more glamorous, more classy, more upscale if you would. Remember, the Dutch Star and the Newmar line still always has the comfort air system on it, so your air conditioners run right down the middle of your coach. So when your slides are in, you're not impeding any airflow, so you get maximum cooling capability. In this case, you've got a solid tile floor. It's a heated floor. This is an entire electric coach, so you don't have to worry about carrying any propane on board. You've got oversized theater seats, which are super comfortable. Lots of storage in your armrest, and a drawer that goes in between. So lots of material for reading, storage. And here you have a trifold sofa that comes out with an air mattress on, right interior to your LED pop-up televator screen that comes up. Notice this year, as you look at the Euro booth, they've really increased the padding on this thing. I mean, my Lord, it's just like poofy city here, and that's extremely comfortable. You got storage down below, and you have table that will pull out for more leaves. Across from that, you've got two sinks. Of course, your brushed stainless steel sink and spigot. Your true and tried induction cooktop that again can be removed for cooking outside and tailgating. You've got a very large kitchen window that we like to order for our coaches. New backsplash that again complements the Bayshore decor. Dishwasher in a drawer. And very ample storage for your cooking needs on both sides of the coach. And new this year, they come back and have a whole new touchpad screen to again facilitate operation of the coach, but looking at all the different amenities and all the different aspects of your coach, between pumps, water, checking your power, checking your floor heat, which has 3 sections just like your AC, independently operating your fans, doing your HVAC, which again you have 2 systems on the HVAC, and then pairing it to your app so you can run the coach remotely, and of course all your lighting, which you can tailor make how you want it with one touch. So this is new for this year on the Dutch Star, and I think it's going to be really appreciated by Newmar owners. And the 4071 is a bath and a half, and I want you to take a look in the bath in this. It's got a cute little sink that comes up, but lots of storage down below and above, including a fantastic fan and a mirror, but a very nice, comfortable midship half bath. And again, the unique patented pin door enables the coach to be slid in with the slides, and you can still get to the bathroom and still grab a beverage out of the fridge. Notice the generous size pantry, which again locks in and pulls out. And again, in Newmar, no screws. It's all screws and glue. It's no staples. So these items will stay put going down the road. You have a solid wood door divider, 2 sections to block off and have privacy in the master bedroom. And again, even on these, the lines and the carvings are just real simple and classy. I really like what they did with them this year. Opposite that, you have 2 nice wardrobes areas for your hanging needs. 6 very large, generous dresser drawers down below. Your king bed with, again, storage underneath. Notice the headboard, how classy that is. You still have 2 windows on each side. And again, extra tiles, extra folding chairs for a Euro booth that can be stored easily beneath the bed. Now I'm going to have Katie come in here just so she can show you the new design to the bathroom in this 4071. Neat little curve around there, the way that loops around the sink, and to have your porcelain tile stool with which also has a macerator on it. But you've got really neat lighting underneath, huge mirrors, and power capability for plugging in a hairdryer or a razor. Cathedral ceiling up above, again coupled by your fantastic fan. And you have a wall and a safe in a wall, I guess would be the right way, and your wardrobe area back here also, which is again finished off in the same kind of back wall board as your rest of your coach. Your Splendide stackable washer and dryer, easy access to. And then look at this huge shower, which again has a water miser system. I really love the black and the brushed finish on it, and the tile on it makes it really nice and classy. Again, when the light comes on, you know it's safe to go in there because the water will be at temperature. Otherwise, it's recycling it and you're not wasting any of your water. And of course, your stool, your bench that folds up makes it really easy for people to get into and shave if they want to. But this is a 4071 2023 Newmar Dutch Star here at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. Lots more to show you. There's a Dometic Prep freezer that's outside. It says 360 cameras on it. Again, with your Spartan chassis, you're going to have your collision avoidance system. You can have adaptive cruise. This one also has a universal total monitor, total module on it. So lots of options on it. It'll be on our website, and we'll make sure we include that on the window sticker section that you can click on. So give me a call. It's Brian Schumann here at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV. I look forward to helping you out down the road. Thanks for joining us again, and safe travels.